Okay, next story. The title is How Dan Learned to Ride a Horse. Okay, listen to me first. One day, Lito invited his cousin, Dan, to his father's farm in the barrio. Dan lived in the town. "Let's ride on my horse," Lito said. "I don't know how to ride a horse," said Dan. "It's easy. I'm going to teach you." Lito got his horse and rode easily on its back. "Come on, hold my hand and place one foot on mine while I pull you up," he said. At first, Dan was afraid. But when he tried, he found it easy. He did not feel afraid anymore. Together, they rode far across the field. It was already dark when they reached home. Okay, answer the questions. Number 1. How were Dan and Lito related? Igunsa daw si Lito ug si Dan? Igunsa daw si Lito ug si Dan? Okay, Lito and Dan was cousin. Lito and Dan, igunsa man daw sila? Unsa ng cousin? Unsa ng cousin? Mag-igagaw sila sa Bisaya, sa Tagalog, magpinsan. Tama. And then, number 2 question, where did Dan live? Asa daw nagpuyo si Dan? Asa nagpuyo si Dan? Dan live in the town. Dan live in the town. Number 3, where did Lito invite Dan? Lito invited his cousin to his father's farm in the barrio. Okay, number 3, where did Lito invite Dan? Mana, number 4, where would they ride? Asa daw sila nag-ride? Asa nag-ride?
Horse.
Yes, horse lagi gamit. Pero asa sila nag-ride? Sa farm. Okay, number 4. Where would they ride? Asa sila humana, number 5 na ta. How did Lito ride on the horse? Read the story again and understand the story.